Hi, we're sending you the spectrometer from Pasco Scientific so that you can test for the EMI sensing tests that you're doing, but I wanted to show you how to use the equipment and what the program will look like, so this will maybe make it easier for you in terms of work. So we're going to make this film and send that to you as well. Let me put this down here. We're going to send you the spectrometer here. This has got ultraviolet light and visible light. It's going to communicate through the USB. So you're going to have to make sure the USB connections are put together once you've received this. This has its own power source right there that connects here. Of course, the computer we're sending you should be plenty of battery power. Now, the program that you're going to want to run is called spectrometry program, sorry. And you'll just go ahead and you can double click that. That should open up. What you're going to do is you're going to put a sample into this small hole here, and I'm sending you a blank QDAT, but you'll have this solution. It's just green food coloring, and all you'd have to do is just drop those into here. So it's about 3/4 or more filled. So I'll put the cap on so that you don't spill it. That's all you need there. Okay. Then you can go ahead and you can put this in to the hole there. Now, that's where the sample will be right. I'll put that in a second. Go ahead and turn the power on, which is right here in the back. Okay. While you're doing that and waiting for this connection, as long as the USB is connected, I can maximize the screen of the program. Okay, once this is maximized, we haven't done anything yet. What you'll want to do is go down and click these two. This calibrates that spectrometer. So you just click once on the dark box. It's clear. It's dark calibration. And that's where a little screen will fall in here and blank all the light out. So we'll click that first. Okay, you should see this little box show up. If it doesn't, just click it again. I noticed every once in a while it has an intermittent starting piece. If you click this and there is no check mark, click it again until you get the check mark, but you should see a little progress bar going through. The next one is the lighter box. That's when the screen will open, and that's how much light coming through here should look like from the light source. So I just click on that. Again, you want to look for the performing calibration sign that comes on. That's calibrated. Now you're ready to use this, and it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to take this. There's a clear-sided window, which is going from here to here, but for your purposes, it doesn't matter which way you put it in. It works the same way either case. One's frosted and one's got a clear window. Now, this little icon right here is how you're going to see that the spectrometer does its job. It turns the light on, opens up the blank. There's a little gate. So you click on that, and you should see a small signal down at the bottom. Okay, so I clicked on that to start. You can see there are some bumps that are here. If you want to see it in better detail, it's the sign that looks like arrows are going out. That just means expand the signal. When you do that, then you'll see the signal pretty clearly. Okay, so all you've done again is turn this on. We calibrated it for the dark and the lighter current. You put the sample in. You open up the window to start recording, and when you're done, just press it a second time, and all that data is saved in here. That should be it. You should be ready to go and have run the sample. If you want to run a second sample, and as you're testing to see how much radiation or whatever is coming off of the circuits in here, just click this button again, and it'll measure up that solution that's in there. It's just shining a light through that solution, and then it's going into a mirror which diffracts it into its own the color spectrum. So what we're seeing there is it's absorbing red and a little bit of blue. That area is what makes it look kind of green. So green is what's coming through here. You can kind of see that. It's kind of got a green tint to it. You'll see it because I'm going to send the solution to you in here. And it's marked green food coloring with water, so that you will receive. Okay. And then the last thing is that this is going to be, the spectrometer is going to be in this box. Of course, the computer is going to be in the packaging that we send to you. So you just open this up by pulling these down, and by pulling these red levers down, open that up on both sides, and the spectrometer will be right inside. Thank you very much. Good luck with testing.